Introducing our key trim accent for the Can-am Ryker and Ryker Rally. This accent kit is available in over a dozen color options, including real carbon fiber. Today we'll be installing the Pearl Red on our shop Ryker to show you just how easy it is to do from home. Start by test fitting the piece so you end up with the proper alignment. Then clean the surface area with alcohol and a lint-free cloth. And make sure the surface area is between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit for proper adhesion. So if this seems like something you'd like for your Ryker, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker.